So this is a quick tutorial on how to print a poster you've just created in Canva. So as you can see, here's my finished poster. Just got that open, and my first step is to go to the top right of the screen and click Share. What I want to do then is click Download and choose the best print settings for posters, which is PDF print. I'm going to select the page, so page 1, that's the only page I want to print today. And the color profile is CMYK, which is the best for professional printing. So I want to go ahead and click download. That should only take a few seconds. Once this is finished downloading, it should be in your downloads file on your computer. So I'm going to go to File Explorer, click on my downloads, and the last download I made, I've titled the file PDF. Just want to open this up. And from this page I'm going to print. So in the top right hand corner, or it depends what browser you're using, but it might be in a different place, but you want to look for a print icon, click print, and print how you normally would. Thank you.